Hi guys, so this is just gonna be a very fast video. I was gonna do a short, but then shorts don't get presented on YouTube the way regular videos do, so I really want to make sure you see this in case you picked up the Griffin Simply Congratulations card making kit very recently. And what I mean is in the last 30 days. It was part of an auto ship, so I think I got mine months ago, but if you recently picked it up, I know I did a tutorial on it the other day. I'll link it there in the description box. That would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links, so thanks for using that if you would like to get it now that it is on a clearance price. And I'm mentioning that because, yeah, a couple of the cards in there have a typo, right? And that's been a thing. So it's kind of interesting that from like a couple days to the next, all of a sudden it's on clearance. So maybe that's why. So if you already purchased it, you can definitely contact HSN. If you log in, you'll see on the left it says like chat. My chat doesn't work right now. It worked on Chrome though. So when I was on Safari, it stopped working a couple weeks ago. And it just, you know, these patches, the way they use them. But when I logged in on Chrome, it worked fine. But you can call them. It says contact me or call me or request a call. I think that's what it says. So they'll call you, so you don't have to call them and wait. And usually they answer pretty quickly anyway. And then, you know, just call, you know, the phone number's there. And they'll give you your difference back plus the tax. And I believe it's like over $10 less now. So something to think about. And yeah, so I just wanted to quickly come on here, getting my morning going. I have some other items I want to do tutorials on, reviews, some stuff for like the home, you know, like if you had seen that kettle, and then possibly, well, not possibly, for sure, a little espresso maker I just picked up that I've always used in the past. A snow cone machine. I picked up actually, I forgot to post the video, but I was delivered a cotton candy maker yesterday, and it's like an industrial kind of cotton candy maker, so I definitely wanted to tutorialize that. I don't know how I'll be able to do that, because it does kind of put cotton candy in the air everywhere, so I might have to be outside. I didn't get the dome for it, like the dome yet, which I think I'll probably have to get. So anyway, just things that I'm preparing for like Miranda's birthday party, so want to try them out and make sure everything works. But yeah, just want to let you know real quick, because if you were interested or if you did pick it up, it has dropped in price and you guys can check that out. I'll link my tutorial in the description box also, and so you can check that out if you'd like. But yeah, I just want to make sure you saw that, because especially because those two cards have typos, like, you know, get your difference back. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.